Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful homemade hair growth tea using just 3 simple kitchen ingredients. And trust me, those ingredients may look small and ordinary, but when combined together, they create a very powerful treatment that can help with hair growth, hair shading, weak edges, dandruff, itchy scalp, and even dry hair. Before we start, I want you to tell me in the comments, what is your biggest hair problem right now? Is it hair breakage, hair thinning, dandruff, slow growth, or weak edges? This mixture is very easy to make, very affordable, and perfect for anyone trying to grow healthy, thicker, and fuller hair naturally. So if you have been struggling with hair breakage, hair thinning, slow hair growth, bad spots, weak edges, excessive shading, dry scalp, dandruff, weak extra, then this video is definitely for you. And please, consistency is very important when using natural remedies. You may not see magic overnight, but with regular use, your hair will begin to feel stronger, healthier, softer, fuller, and more alive. So grab your ingredients, relax, and let's make this powerful hair growth tea together. Before we start making the tea, let's quickly talk about the ingredients and why they are so beneficial for hair growth. Because honestly, once you understand what these ingredients do for your scalp and hair, you will never underestimate them again. Our first ingredient is clove. Cloves are one of the most powerful natural ingredients for hair growth, and if you have ever tried clove water before, let me know your experience in the comment because a lot of people swear by it for a thicker hair and healthier edge. Clove contain vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, magnesium, antioxidants, and eugenol. This nutrient helps support healthy hair and scalp care naturally. Vitamin C helps support collagen production, which is important for stronger hair. Iron helps support healthy blood circulation to the scalp. Antioxidant help protect the hair and scalp from damage caused by stress and environmental factors. And eugenol, which is one of the main active compounds in clove, helps stimulate the scalp and improve blood circulation. Eugenol is a powerful compound that helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. When your scalp has a better blood circulation, your hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This is extremely important because healthy follicles produce healthy hair. One major reason why many people experience slow hair growth is because their scalp is weak and not properly nourished. Clove help wake up the scalp, they stimulate the hair follicles and encourage new growth. This is why many people notice their scalp tingling slightly after using clove treatment. That tingling sensation is usually the stimulation happening on the scalp. Now let's talk about some amazing benefits of clove for hair. If your hair fall out excessively when combing, washing, or styling, clove help reduce that because clove strengthens the roots of your hair. Weak roots leads to shading and breaking. But when the scalp becomes healthier and stronger, the hair strands stay attached better. Clove helps stimulate dormant follicles. Dormant follicles are follicles that are inactive or weak. When stimulated consistently, some of them begin producing hair again. This can make the hair appear fuller and thicker over time. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. That means they fight scalp bacteria and fungus that may contribute to itchiness, irritation, and dandruff. Our second ingredient is star anise. A lot of people use this ingredient only for cooking and don't even realize it can also be amazing for scalp care. Star anise contains antioxidants, vitamins, antibacterial properties, antifungal properties. These properties help support a healthier scalp environment, and honestly, healthier hair always starts with a healthier scalp. Many people focus only on the hair strand and forget that the scalp needs care too. A healthier scalp is extremely important for hair growth because hair grows from the scalp. If the scalp is unhealthy, irritated, clogged, or infected, it becomes difficult for healthy hair to grow. Star anise help reduce dandruff. One of the biggest causes of dandruff is scalp imbalance. Sometimes it is caused by dryness, sometimes it is caused by excess oil, sometimes it's caused by fungal or product buildup. Star anise helps cleanse the scalp gently. It helps reduce irritation and support a healthier scalp environment. If your scalp constantly feels irritated, inflamed, or uncomfortable, this ingredient helps calm it. A calm scalp is much healthier for hair growth. Because of its cleansing properties, star anise can help the scalp feel fresher and cleaner. And when your scalp is cleaner, products absorb better. Healthy scalp condition often lead to healthier strand. We can usually start with the scalp problem, so when the scalp improves, the hair also benefits. Star anise also contains antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the scalp and hair from damage. Environmental stress, dirt, pollution, heat, and harsh styling can weaken the hair over time. Antioxidants affect some of that stress. And our last ingredient is cinnamon. And honestly, cinnamon has become one of my favorite ingredients in natural hair care because of how refreshing it feels on the scalp. Cinnamon is another very powerful ingredient for scalp stimulation. Cinnamon is known for helping improve circulation. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants and natural compounds that help stimulate the scalp. This stimulation helps support healthy follicles and stronger hair growth over time. One thing many people love about cinnamon is the warm feeling it gives on the scalp. That warming sensation can make the scalp feel refreshed and active. And just like cloves, better circulation means better delivery of nutrients to the hair follicles. Cinnamon helps stimulate hair follicles. Hair follicles need nutrients to function properly. When circulation improves, the follicle receives more nutrients. This can support healthy hair growth. Cinnamon also strengthens hair strands. Weak hair strands break easily, but stronger strands help you retain length. Many people think their hair isn't growing, meanwhile, their hair is growing but it keeps breaking. So straightening the hair is extremely important. Cinnamon helps improve scalp health. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties. This can help reduce scalp health caused by bacteria or fungi. Cinnamon helps add volume. Over time, healthier hair strand can make the hair look fuller and thick. Cinnamon creates a warming sensation. Cinnamon gives a warming effect that can help wake up the scalp. The warming sensation is one reason many people love cinnamon in their treatment. Now imagine combining all three ingredients together. Just think about how powerful this combination is for the scalp and hair. And if you love simple kitchen remedies like this, don't forget to like this video because it really supports the channel. Let's prepare our hair tea. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of clove into a heat-resistant jar. Next, I'm adding 3 pieces of star anise. Then finally, add 2 cinnamon sticks. Now I'm pouring hot water into the jar. You can already see how rich the mixture is starting to look. Make sure the water is enough to help extract all the beneficial properties from the ingredients. Once the hot water is inside, cover the jar properly. Now we are going to allow this mixture to infuse. You can leave it for 24 hours, 48 hours for a stronger mixture. The longer it sits, the stronger the tea becomes. As the ingredients soak, the water absorbs the nutrient and beneficial compound. And honestly, after some hours, the color becomes darker and richer. That is exactly what we want. After 24 hours, now our tea have infused beautifully. Look at that rich color. That means the ingredients release their goodness into the water. Now I'm going to strain the mixture. You can use a sieve, a cheesecloth, or a strainer. We only want the liquid. Pour the liquid into a clean spray bottle and your hair growth tea is ready. Now let's talk about how to use it. The part is very important, so pay close attention. Section your hair, then spray the tea directly into your scalp. Focus especially on tea areas, edges, bald spots, areas with excessive shading. Massage the scalp gently for a few minutes. Massaging helps improve blood circulation even more. Then spray some onto the length of your hair. This helps strengthen the strand. You can use this mixture 3 to 5 times weekly or daily if your scalp tolerates it well. Natural remedies work best with consistency. One thing to know is that this tea may make the hair feel slightly rough or stiff. That is because the ingredients are strengthening the strand. So after applying the tea, make sure you moisturize your hair properly. You can follow up with a leave-in conditioner, hair cream, and natural oil. This hair balance moisture and strength because healthy hair needs both strength and moisture. Too much moisture can weaken the strand. Too much protein or strengthening without moisture can also make the hair dry. Balance is key. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator for up to a week. If the smell changes or it looks unusual, make a fresh bath. Fresh mixture are always better. This simple hair tea is proof that you don't always need expensive products to care for your hair. Some of the powerful ingredients are already sitting in your kitchen. With this remedy, you will start to notice less hair fall, stronger hair, healthier hairs, and a cleaner scalp. Your hair began to feel softer, fuller, and easy to manage. With consistent use, this mixture can help improve hair thickness, reduce breakage, and support healthy hair growth naturally. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, comment below, share with someone who needs this, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you would like more natural DIY hair growth recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.